Good morning, Engaba Onitsha RC Power! Happy 4th year anniversary!
Guys, without you, today will never be a reality.
Power in global! Happy 4th anniversary Alliance in Motion Global Onitsha RC.
Top distributors are now losing weight. I have a simple question. Are you ready to be healthy? Yes or no? So I'm Dr. B saying thank you very much. Be healthy, be happy, and be a millionaire. God bless! For you to become successful, and again, for the last time, I will ask you, would you like to become successful in AIM Global? Yes or no?
Friends, did you learn something? Did you learn something? You want more? Do you want more?
Always say thank you. If your upline is supportive, that's extra bonus. But if it's not, still introduce you to the best opportunity in the world. So again, say thank you. All right?
And he was just recruited once. He heard about the product once. He heard about the opportunity once. But the amount of money earned by the upline, the amount of points flowed through the marketing plan, it was all over and over and over and over and over again. More years and beyond. 4 more years, 5 more years, 10 more years for the success of AIM Global Nigeria.
For wealth creation, for health creation, not only in Nigeria but for all parts of the world.
From today, anybody you have told about AIM Global that never wanted to do the business, carry your phone, dial his number, tell him, are you ready? He will tell you, I am ready. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. Bossa, Bossa, Bossa.
Global Nigeria, good morning. It's great to be here. I want to wish you a very, very happy and successful 5th year anniversary.
Vision is very important because vision is a practical guide for creating plans. You cannot make any plans if you do not visualize what you want to have, what you want to be as a networker here in AIM Global.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
I know what is waiting for me. And I had that conviction, that confidence of really sharing the business every day, really sharing the products every day. And I didn't care if people reject me. Because in my heart, if they reject me, I lost nothing. I didn't lose anything. If they reject me, in my heart, they just rejected one of the best opportunities in the entire world.
Leadership doesn't start with a network. Leadership starts within you. All right? You have to talk like a leader, look like a leader, speak like a leader, smell like a leader, walk like a leader. Are you getting me?
So today, ladies and gentlemen, on the based on 11 years of AIM Global experience as the owner, I observed daily disciplines from the top 20, and I wrote it down. I'm going to give it to you today. There are 30 things that you need to do. Do it every day.
Move it, move it. You like to.
So we have 4 new products to launch in Nigeria under the Burn Wader brand. Are you excited with this? What are these products? Burn Shake, Burn Slim, Live and Burn,
and Burn Mate Iced Tea.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Everyone.
Yes.
I hope you're all well and most especially safe at home. And we are actually praying very well, definitely, because we know right now here in Nigeria, we are undergoing something, very serious. And yet again, we are here praying, and also we are with you in, in your battle against the in regards with NSARS, but truth enough, we are still here to still bring you the opportunity for today, and I hope you're still with us in this online presentation. As they say, the show must go on, and this is actually the reason behind is because we wanted to still bring you the opportunity despite of all the adversities and all the challenges around us. And I do believe Naija is going to be standing again, and I believe healing will also be with us here in your wonderful country. And anyway, today is another day that you'll be having us, and you can see me and my partner today will be bringing to you our opportunity here in our company, Alliance in Motion Global, all about health, as well as later on wealth aspect.
Yes, and before we are going to discuss our products and of course the marketing plan, we would like to appreciate all the viewers right here who are commenting here in our comment section, and of course to all the viewers around the world. All right, good morning to all of you there. So we have here Mama Inaja Roslyn Pawe. Okay, good morning, Mama. Hello, Ma. Be safe there in Abuja, and of course to other brothers and sisters there in other states. So please be safe. Yes, to Angel Wuzo Pawe.
Grabe!
And one of our SB also from Kano, Mr. Zangote, also watching with us today. And of course, not only in Nigeria, we also have someone from Quezon City, Philippines.
Wow, Philippines! We have Visionaire Susan Egay. Good morning. Thank you for joining us today.
Yes. We also have Rowen Ilanan Lobo.
Oh, good morning from Philippines as well.
Yes.
Laguna, Philippines.
Sabmari and De La Cruz Cuentro. Good morning, Power. Dominion King. Wow, what a great name. Dominion King. Wow. Marilyn Masongsong from Malaysia. Thank you for watching, ma'am.
Wow.
Also, we have here AIM Visionaire Susan Egay. CN. What does it mean, the CN? Maybe it's a group, right?
Power.
Of course, James
Sir
Aldo.
James Odo, we're all the way from Abuja. Thank you for being here, and we're happy to have you, Sa.
You also have Easy Entrepreneur Angela from Singapore.
Wow, thank you for
Singapore
being
G.
here.
Man Piero. Ay, Man Piero.
Yes.
Yes, Man Piero is always
Oh,
watching.
yeah. A gentle reminder for each and everyone. You can already start mentioning your guests and prospects in our comment section below. Thank
Annie
you.
Collins Imeka. Yo, your profile pic,
Yeah.
Mary Jane Pukot. And of course, from Manila, from Red Hawks International, Ma'am Rena Alba.
Good
All right,
morning.
good morning.
She says, "Good morning, champions." Yes.
Yes, Grace Beldad, also from Manila, Philippines. And to Ma'am Shaira Hernandez, also watching, mentioning, I know, her prospects.
Prospects and newcomers, yes.
Yeah, so anyway, we're going to start our discussion, and my name is Jermaine Hapitana. You can call me Jobs, you can call me Baba Tunde, you can call me Ibrahim or Ubina. Those are my Nigerian names, and together with me, international trainer.
Of course, I'm Kate, and I'm also one of your international trainers here in Nigeria. And I'm also known as Olinye Samira Bolanle Otobong. Those are my Nigerian names, and I hope you are all ready for us today. And again, let me remind each and every one of you, you can start already mentioning your guests, your prospects, so that they can be joining us during our presentation. So thank you very much, and I'll see you again later on the second part.
All right, wait, let me share first my slides. Okay. All right, so someone is calling me here. Wait, let me see. Okay, good morning once again. Welcome to our opportunity plan presentation. And I'm here to discuss to you the wonderful product of Alliance in Motion Global and of course, our new campaign, Economy Driver Plan 2.0. All right, to start it. Okay, this is our company, Alliance in Motion Global, here in Nigeria. And of course, we are already celebrating 14 years. Okay, the whole company, we are celebrating the 14th year. And here in Nigeria, we're already celebrating 8 years. And 2 weeks ago, we celebrated our first virtual anniversary, 8th anniversary, and the first virtual anniversary here in Nigeria. And so very proud that because here, we are keep on changing lives of Nigerians here, ordinary Nigerians to extraordinary millionaires. And of course, we are starting here in Nigeria. Okay, we are keep creating more and more millionaires here. And this company, of course, were founded by our board of directors, from our chief finance officer, Mr. Francis Miguel. We call him the mentor of all mentors. Our chief marketing officer, Mr. John Aspirin, we call him the Mr. Excitement. And of course, our visionary president and CEO, Dr. Ed Cabantog. So these three board of directors share the economy of a 14-year tested and proven system. Okay, so for 14 years, we already received so many awards for the past 14 years. Okay, from the food supplement that we have, from the products, from the marketing plan that we have, and of course from the system. So in regards with the system, we received an award from International Innovation Awards that we are the only M&M company who pays our distributors daily basis. Okay, in short, we have a daily payout system. Okay, and we can enjoy this from Monday to Sunday. So that's why I'm so very proud and so very exciting, because of this daily payout system, a lot of Nigerians earn so much and change their lives because of this program and because of this platform. And you know what? One of the reason why AIM Global founded or started, because of the supplements of the products that we have, because we care about your health. Since we care about your health, we have this what do you call this, products manufactured by what? World-class manufacturing companies. And first, of course, we have the Nature's Way. So this Nature's Way is a billion-dollar company a year, pioneer in herbal medicines in the USA, with GMP or Good Manufacturing Practice certified, and of course, Halal and Kosher certified, which means is good or safe for our brothers, okay, and sisters, Muslim brothers and sisters. All right. Next, we also have DSM. Okay, what is this DSM? It's a multi-billion euro company a year, one of the largest supplier of raw ingredients of nutritionals in the world, and the manufacturer of Resvita and Lycopene. In short, DSM is the manufacturer of Vida products, okay, Vida Max. We also have AMS, a multi-billion yen company a year, a manufacturer of Perfect White, okay, that's a product in the Philippines. And of course, Wader, a multi-billion dollar company a year and a manufacturer of burn products. So all of these manufacturing are multi-billion yen dollar company, and they partner to Philippines, which means AIM Global is also a multi-billion peso company. It's a giant company. Now, since we talk about food supplement, we talk about health, sometimes we ask ourselves, why is it people are easily get sick? Okay? Why some people are easily get sick? Get sick because of this reason, free radicals, right? We are exposed to 50 billion free radicals. And what are these free radicals? We can get it from the pesticides, alcohol, cigarette smoke, pollution, drugs, toxic metals, radiation, and of course, industrial chemicals. And when we talk about radiation, all right, let me give you emphasis on radiation. These radiation are present everywhere right now because we are now exposed to gadgets, laptops. 90% of people right now are having their own cell phones. And of course, those cell phones that we have emits radiation, but at low frequency. But if we are going, let ourselves exposed frequently in that gadget, tendency, it will damage our cells inside because of the free radicals. Because these free radicals attacks our cells, eating the energy that produced inside, causing the cell to die or become abnormal, that will later on result to different diseases or worse, even cancer. Okay? So later on, we have solution for that bad radiation and for these free radicals. So, Sir Jobs, can I avoid free radicals? The answer is no. We cannot avoid free radicals, but we can only manage the harmful effects of free radicals. By how? We need to what? Increase the antioxidant level inside of our body. So where can we get the antioxidants? Okay, we can get antioxidants from the food that we eat, especially from the fruits and vegetables. So according to the World Health Organization, they recommended that we need to eat at least 5 kinds of fruits and vegetables every day. Yes, we can eat 5 fruits and vegetables, but of course, considering the budget that we have right now, we cannot do that. Okay, we cannot buy, okay, the fruits and vegetables that we are wanting to eat. So, unfortunate, sad to say, we tend to what? To eat only what we have in our table. Okay, but don't be worried. There's no wahala. Do not be worried about, because through Nature's Way and through Alliance in Motion Global and Economy Driver Plan, we have the best product that we can offer to you, okay, to fight this free radical damage and of course to boost your immune system, all right, so that you will be prevent from illnesses and diseases. So introducing to you our flagship product, C24/7, which has 22,000 phytonutrients, right? Composed of 29 vitamins, minerals, and trace minerals to boost our immune system. It also has 18 amino acids that are building blocks of proteins for muscle repair and muscle regeneration, with 14 super green foods and spirulina blends. The purpose of these super green foods and spirulina blend is to detoxify our body from all those toxins that we have, right? So we also have 12 whole fruit juice blend, and of course, 12 whole vegetable juice blend. As I mentioned earlier, the World Health Organization requires 5 fruits and vegetables. Here in C24/7, it's more than the needed requirement. Okay, we have 12 fruits and vegetables packed with high ORAC value or oxygen radical absorbance capacity, or in short, it contains high level of antioxidants. All right, so 12 fruits and 12 vegetables. What else do we have here inside our C24/7? It composed of 12 mushrooms, potent mushrooms rich in polysaccharide, which can decrease your tumor cells inside your body. Also to prevent from hypertension and promote good cardiovascular system, and of course to your nerves as well. It also has 12 digestive enzymes, all right, which is good for your stomach, for digestion, so that you will be avoid from constipation, which is the mother of all diseases. And also it contains 12 herbs and specialty nutrients, good for our brain as well, and for our heart, which also has 10 essential fatty acids, which means good oils. Okay, omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9. And what I love in C24/7, it's because of 5 anti-aging, all right, antioxidant enhancer, and of course 4 longevity polyphenols, which promote longer lifespan. And this anti-aging, okay, delays the aging process. So meaning to say, even if you are 60 years old or 80 years old, your internal organs are still 20 years younger. And because of the longevity polyphenols, you can extend your lifespan from 20 to 30%. All right, so this is our flagship product, and a lot of testimonies, all right, patients, clients already testified that this product is so very awesome and wonderful. Now, let's move to our next products. We also have Kiddy 24/7, okay, kids version, okay, C24/7 also, but for kids. All right, we call it the Kiddy 24/7 or K24/7, packed with 14 vitamins and minerals plus 26 fruits and vegetables. Okay, who can take KD 24/7? You can start giving the KD 24/7 to your child aging 2 years old up to 12 years old. All right, the moment the child reaches 12 years old, they can now take complete Phyto Energizer. By the way, KD 24/7 has 3 flavors: orange, grape, and cherry. All right, now once the child reaches 12 years old, they can now take complete. What is this complete? Okay, it composed of 16,000 phytonutrients, right? It's a lower version of C24/7. It has no anti-aging and no longevity polyphenols. So meaning, okay, all those people aging 12 years old and beyond, they can take complete Phyto Energizer, even also the pregnant women and lactating mother. All right, are you following? Next, we also have Restore Life. Okay, made of resveratrol and longevity polyphenols from grapeseed extract, Japanese knotweed, and of course, this Restore Life promotes longer lifespan. What else? It will also gives us anti-diabetes. All right, it will normalize your blood sugar. If you have problems with sleep, okay, or have a sleeping disorder like insomnia, then this product can really help you, because it will normalize also your body system. Okay, what else do we have here? Aside from the food supplement that we have the beverage. All right, where all the Nigerians very love it. Because of this beverage, we have the Leven coffee, the world's first alkaline coffee with complete Phyto Energizer, meaning all those ingredients of complete are also can be found in our Leven coffee. So meaning to say, our coffee is composed of 16,000 phytonutrients too. So it has 3 variants, all right? Latte, original, and of course, cappuccino. And another variant that we have is the stevia or sugar-free, because the sugar that we used in this coffee is stevia. It's 300 times more sweeter, but it cannot result you for diabetes. So for those people who are suffering from diabetes or high blood sugar, then I will recommend to you to take Leven sugar-free or stevia coffee. All right. We also have drink for kids. We have here My Choco, Chococeuticals with DHA or docosahexaenoic acid, good for our memory or memory enhancer. Also, it has complete phyto energizer, which means all the components of complete are also can be found in My Choco. All right, so start drinking your My Choco now and start also drinking your Leven coffee every day. Next product we have is Colidus. All right, we will talk more about cardiovascular system. So Colidus from the word cholesterol reducer, which reduces the bad cholesterol and produces good cholesterol. So made from fish, okay, sardines and tuna. It also has EPA and also has DHA. All right. Okay, so if you are suffering from hypertension, or what you mean, or we can call it high blood, then please start taking Colidus. You can start taking Colidus during meal as well. Okay, so what else do we have here? Rest our Vida Max. Okay, composed of 2 ingredients, Rest Vida and Fruit Flow. Okay, the Rest Vida will be the one vasodilate. Okay, it will dilate your artery from 30 to 60% and improves your metabolism. And this Fruit Flow will improve the flow of your platelet and red blood cells inside your body, because due to stress and sometimes we eat high fatty foods, all right, like pomo, suya, right? Sometimes if you will not take Vida Max, tendency you will be what? Suffering from stroke or hypertension. Okay, so be careful with your heart. Okay, please be careful with your heart, because our heart pumps blood 24 hours a day and it will not stop pumping and pumping. If will stop, you will stop living as well. All right, you will not come out from this world if your heart stops beating. And of course, we have the service. All right, we have the CardioPulse. So this CardioPulse is like an angiogram alternative that monitors cardiovascular health. So in 5 minutes, there's already a result. Okay, that's how fast. Okay, non-invasive, and of course, within 5 minutes, there's already a result from type 1 to type 7. If the result is type 1, good news, your artery is excellent. It's very healthy. Type 2, it's good. But when it comes to type 4, it's already warning. Type 5, it's bad. And type 7, start praying. It's already high risk. Any time of the day, at a snap of the finger, you will come out from this world, right? You will be got dead already because it's already dangerous. All right, so protect your heart by taking our product Colidus and Vida Max, and have what they call this good exercise as well. Okay. All right, so next product we have here is the Natural Essentials Herbal Toothpaste. What is this herbal toothpaste? It composed of bee propolis, tea tree oil, myrrh extract, piper betel extract, and of course, aloe vera extract with antibacterial properties and repairs the gums of the oral cavity. Plus, it has complete phytoenergizer. What are you waiting for? Okay, why settle for less? Okay, using other brands, if you have this herbal toothpaste while brushing your teeth, you are healthy as well. Okay, so you know already, if your partner has a bad breath or halitosis, if your prospects is already having a mouth problem, then it's time for you to recommend our best product, Natural Essentials Herbal Toothpaste. All right, what do we have here? We also have Burn. Okay, or we call it the body under right nutrition. Okay, the main ingredient of Burn, what they call this capsule, is Garcinia cambogia, which suppress appetite and helps increasing the body's metabolism. So I will recommend you should take Burn before meal. Okay, if you want a great result, then you need to have an exercise, right diet, and right discipline. Okay, so take Burn, discipline, exercise, and of course, good diet. it will result to what? Great results. All right. Next product we have is also CareLift, a thermal relief patch. Okay, I know some of us are experiencing pains. The moment we wake up, we experience back pain, neck pain, hip pain. So all those things, all those pains can be what? Relieved by the CareLift, right? By the CareLift. So all you have to do is to peel it off and stick it, okay? Or put it somewhere in your body that you feel pain. And it will only last 2 days. What I love in this CareLift, because it has 9 powerful natural ingredients, right? Infused in micro layers, each known as used for decades to relieve the pain. Okay, now another product that we have here, which is recently what? Launched, we have the Energy Pendant, and of course, it also has Eye Protect 24/7 inside. So dual, okay? Energy Pendant and Eye Protect. Let me discuss first the Eye Protect. This Eye Protect contains chlorine dioxide, okay, which emits green zone effect, okay? It's like a fume. So what is this? What's the purpose of this Eye Protect? Okay, it will create 2-meter radius protection from all airborne bacteria and diseases. So meaning to say, if someone far from you sneeze, cough, before the bacteria landed to your body, it's already what? Dead. Okay? And also, the carrier, the necklace, is what we call the Energy Pendant. Okay, what is the function of this Energy Pendant? It will lowers down the impact of harmful electromagnetic radiation. We are exposed to radiation, okay? Cell phones, gadgets, like laptops, tablets, televisions, microwave oven, they emit radiation at lower frequency. But of course, if we are exposed every day, okay, tendency, you will what? Get what? Diseases like stroke, or worse, tumor or cancer. All right, so protect yourself by wearing this Energy Pendant, and of course, Eye Protect 24/7. And good news also, we have the latest product, the newest products we have here, the Energy Diffuser. Okay, it's a sticker, which also what? Good for our gadget. All you have to do is stick on it. Okay, it's like a sticker, no expiration. It lowers down the impact of harmful electromagnetic radiation for all electronic devices like cell phones, tablets, laptops, and desktops. And also, it has a clinical studies, and also energy infusion from Vital Force Technology, Oregon, USA. So since everyone is an online techie right now, right? Some of us are already what? Having cell phones beside our bed. We expose ourselves from online because everyone is already what? Everything is already online, and that's the new normal. So stay tech savvy without risking your health. Protect yourself and your family from electro pollution. All right, so these are all the products of Economy Driver Plan 2.0, and of course, these products can be a great help for everyone, especially those people who are what? Suffering from health problems and diseases. So I recommend you should use all the products, okay? I suggest all the viewers right here to use the products every day, love the products, and of course, not only loving the products, but of course, share our products. And by sharing, you can help people when it comes about health, and not only health, you can help them through wealth. All right, I know most of you are not excited to learn how to earn in this business from these products. And of course, I'm done with my presentation. Yes, so I would like to bring back my partner here. She will be the one to introduce to you and discuss to you what? The wonderful marketing plan, the innovative marketing plan, and because this marketing plan that she's going to introduce change the lives of people, not only 1, 2, but thousands of people. All right, so this marketing plan will surely what? Change your life. So if I were you, you should what? Mention the name of your prospects, okay? Your guests, okay? Your downlines out there. If they are already still sleeping, wake them up. All right? So without further ado, I would like to introduce to you again my partner, okay? To share with you the marketing plan. Please help me welcome, send your hearts, send your claps virtually here in our StreamYard, okay, here in our live. Let me introduce to you my partner, our international trainer, Miss Kit Linyan. All right.
Yay!
All right.
Good morning. Thank you for that wonderful introduction, and as well as thank you also for sharing our opportunity. All right. All right. Thank you for that. Anyway, thank you very much for that wonderful introduction again, and thank you also for being here and also joining us here in our presentation. And I would like also to appreciate all of you who are actually viewing us today. Our 60 viewers as of the moment, and it's actually one of the things that we are actually appreciating for those who are constantly with us every single day in our presentation, as well as our first timers. Now, we welcome and appreciate you for seeing the opportunity, and being here today is not an accident, but rather this has a purpose for you. I believe that all of the things that are happening, all of the things that are arriving in our lives has a message and has a purpose in our lives. And today, this opportunity truly has a purpose for all of us. And now, let me move forward to the next part of our presentation, which is all about the wealth aspect. Since we've already talked about the health side of our presentation, now let's bring more the opportunity by talking about how we'll be able to make money and how we'll be able to make a fortune out of the opportunity that we have for you today. Now, before anything else, let me introduce myself. My name is Kate Linyan. I'm your international trainer here in Nigeria, and I'm very happy that you are with me in this presentation. And true to that, I will be sharing with you what is the system, what is that proven system, and what are we all about here in Alliance in Motion Global. Now, let's go straight to we will talk about ourselves here. You and I, you who are here with us today, I do believe we all have our own set of dreams, plans, targets, or whatever you call it. When you're going to actually put them all together, they are actually called dreams. And the dreams that we actually have in our lives consist of many things. And let me just share with you some of the most common dreams that we have now. That is having to acquire our very own house, our very own car. As they said before, cars are a luxury. But right now, this is already a convenience to all of us. And not only that, we want to travel and explore the world, and definitely to have money in the bank, money in our savings, and also to save for the rainy days. As they say, rainy days are those trying times that will happen to us unexpectedly. And it's actually a fuel for us to still move forward and move on with our lives and still survive despite of all the adversities around us. And this are the common things that we are actually targeting. We want to achieve. And for us to get all of these things, we need to first figure out what is the right opportunity for us. What is the right or correct one, or the correct opportunity for us? So finding the right opportunities is one of the things that we must do first for us to acquire all of those dreams that we want. And today, let me share with you opportunities that are available. So opportunities around us are a lot. Might be securing a job, putting up your own business, having to have franchise of traditional business, or becoming famous, or going into show business or into sports. And most especially, you can also be a part of a movie, or be a part of a group of to become famous as an actor, or as a dancer or singer. And most of the time, other people also considers betting on the lottery as an opportunity. There are actually a lot of options for us, for those opportunities around us, but they always ask from us requirements. What are those requirements? We need capital of requirements, so that we'll be able to land a job, like having to first be educated, going to school, paying for your tuition fees, and a lot more. And if you're going to be doing your traditional business, you also need to have those necessary skills as well as business skills, so that you will not be you will not suddenly collapse on your business. Or for example, when you're putting up a business, you really need experience so that you will know how to really handle it and not end up losing all the money you have invested. And most especially, if you're going to become famous, you have to be an exceptional talent, or you have to be an exceptional person to become famous. And in betting the lottery, most of you might say betting the lottery is easy. I could just bet on the lottery, and I'll just give in money. But if you try to realize the money that you get to give every single day for the lottery, example is 100 naira, let's say. Every single day you put 100 naira on the lottery, and at the end of the month, how much money would you actually come up with? Instead of you have actually other choices, like instead of you giving your money to lottery, what if you save up the money, and within the end of the month, how much would you earn? How much would you save? And if you continuously do it, you will see how is the difference when you're giving out your money for lottery. Because again, the lottery is a game of chance, and there's no you won't know if you're really going to hit the jackpot. But again, you'll just end up losing money and every single day, instead of you making the most out of the earnings that you have through thinking a more what do you call this, a more reasonable or a more good way of investing your money, and also growing your money and making your money work for you. So at the end of the day, we all want money to work for us. And it always boils down to the next question that I'll be giving you, which is, even before the pandemic, even before the crisis, were you financially prepared? Because financial preparedness is so important, that it's actually the ones that's going to fuel us as we move forward in our lives. And today we have an opportunity for us to to learn more how we'll be able to maximize our income potential, as well as see the capacity that we have and turn it into money making. Because again, money is not the most important thing in this world, but without of course the resources, you'll not be able to provide a good life to your family, as well as put food on the table. Those basic things that we have. Money is still important. It's important, though it's not the most important. But without it, we'll not be able to supply the needs as much as also the wants of our families and even in ourselves. So that is why today we're going to educate ourselves. How do we what is the better way of looking at money? Is it something working for us, or is it something that we should always avoid of? So again, how do we become financially prepared? Now, all you have to do is, again, start up your own business. And it's so easy as of today, because all you have to do is to become part of a connected economy. Now, with the use of smartphone, laptop, and your devices, plus the correct business plan, you'll be able to push through with your plans. For example, if you are actually persistent and you already are willing, and you already have the decision of doing the business, that is actually going to work well with you. But it should be incorporated with the right business plan, and that is by becoming a part of the connected economy. Now, part of the connected economy connected economy simply means becoming a part of a connecting to a lot of people, opportunities, a lot of places, and building relationships, so that you can turn your relationship or building of your bridges into money making, or into opportunities for you to make money, and for you to also raise the money that you want. And here, becoming a part of the connected economy is already one of the leading and fastest way for you to earn in this kind of in the world today. And you see that in the connected economy, we always use the social media platform. We also some means for us to have an easier access over how we'll be able to connect to a lot of people. And today, you yourself, you can attest to that, because we are already having our presentation through online and through Facebook, which is a free application where you can only browse, you can only open any time of the day as long as you have data, as long as you have internet, you already can connect to a lot of people. And instead of it using as just for connection of people, why not turn it into money making, or turn it in a potential view getting or earning money? And today, let me show to you testimonies of people who have turned their lives from ordinary to extraordinary through the connected economy and through the system I will also be sharing to you later on. But today, let me just introduce you these people. Now, first is, of course, Mama Ineka Ozuchukwu, which is a former farmer. You can see she has just been working, in the bush. Am I right? Working as a farmer and working hard labor as well. But because of her decision, because she made the decision and she actually, did the right decision, she had turned her life from ordinary to extraordinary. You can see here, she became our Philippine Thrift Qualifier, a silver executive of our company, as well as one of our, she's also one of the leading leaders also in this industry because of how she has also turned her life into extraordinary. And you see here the changes in the pictures. You can see how she changed her life, not only just by physical appearance, but also in the way she brings herself, her confidence, as well as how she also brought the opportunity to a lot of people. Who else? We also have Mama Ngozi Agweme. Yes, she's a former Maggi seller, and because again of her decision to become part of the connected economy, and through also using the system that I'm going to share with you later on, is she also changed her life and became a top 20 top earner here in Nigeria, and she also purchased her third car. So imagine, through the system, she had just not only got one car, but already on her third car. She already gotten her third car out from her labor, out of her hard work, also through the system that we have introduced her. What else? Who else? Mr. Nefa SMI, a former banker, and you see his office is this one, 2016. His office is just sharing his office with people, and he's working the bank. But because again of turning his life and seeing the opportunity beyond the opportunity that we have here, he has actually had his own office. So his office, which is it's a posh and it's a very nice office. It's located in one of our regional centers, also nearby in the country. And his office actually is very big, as well as it has his own secretary and training hall. So imagine, he has his very own office. What else? He also became our top 10 in 2019, top 10 top earner, Ambassador Nefa Ensimay, and also purchased his new machine. You see a top of the line BMW. And not only that, also my brother from another mother. I'm very proud of this person. He's one of our one of our own, and his name is Adiemi Michael, and he's a former ice cream seller. And because of, again, becoming a part of the connected economy and the system, and the proven system that I'm going to show to you or share with you later on, he has turned his life from ordinary to extraordinary, becoming top 2 top earner here in Nigeria, and of course also gotten his new machine, sports car. You see now in Transformer, if you're watching Transformer, and this is actually a sports car. What else? What else? Of course, that is not only that. I just shared with you some of the people who turned her lives from ordinary to extraordinary. And true enough, if they did it, you yourself too can achieve it. Because I believe a lot of people, or all of the people, deserve also a better and beautiful life. Now, let me move forward and show to you what is the system I've been talking about, and that is the Economy Driver Plan 2.0. This is actually a chance of you driving your own economy, driving your own income, a capacity or the power to become or turn into from consumer to earn-sumer, as well as turning also becoming only a driver of your life, but an economy driver of your life. So here, through the system that I'm going to show to you, you too can also enjoy what I had also shared with you as the testimonial. What they enjoyed, you can also, or it can also be done into your own lives. Now, how do I become a part of the Ed Plan? How do I become a part of the Economy Driver Plan 2.0? All you have to do is to buy our Ed package or Economy Driver package, which is worth 44,888. The inclusions are, or the return of your investments are the following. So you see here, worth of products from 77,000 to 83,000, 25% lifetime discount on all the products of our companies, which was also introduced to you earlier on this presentation. Business kit, which is also all of the information regarding your business. So you'll be able to be to actually see and browse what is made up of your business. What else? Free Distributors Tracking Center. This is actually what I call your personal secretary, which you can see and browse how much money you have earned, how much commission, and what is the rank you're frequently you're already in. What else? Free trainings. Definitely, we have our free trainings every single day, and we're very happy that actually we have our modular trainings that is exclusively only for our distributors, which is actually a compilation of all of the things you need to know about your business, because we want to guide you through not only making you join the company, but also guiding you through how you're going to also expand, and how you're going to also see your potential when it comes to your earning. What else? Travel incentives, which also going to be resumed once the pandemic is already, already not with us anymore, and when we come back to normal. So all of this you can get or included once you become part of us, once you become a member of once you become a part of the Connected Economy and get your own Ed package. So that is actually what is included. So let me just show you the packages that we have. You can actually select to the packages that you want based on the products that you wanted to get. And now let's move forward. What are the ways to earn? And I do believe that is what you actually are waiting for. Now the ways to earn, it starts with number one, retailing, or the sharing, or the promotion of your product. So you get to enjoy 25% on all product purchase, since you're entitled as a member. Once you become a part of the Economy Driver Plan and you get your Ed package, definitely you will enjoy 25% discount, and that will be also what you get to enjoy once you start sharing your products. You can sell them with the prices or the suggested retail prices, and you get 25% profit on each of the products that you get to share to a lot of people. Not only that, not only in retailing, what are the other ways to earn? Now, under the compensation plan that we have the binary, unilevel, stair-step, and UniPay plan. Now, these are the 4 programs included in our Economy Driver Plan that is going to actually help you boost your income, as well as you have a chance to drive your own income and your economy. So here, let me share with you first, under the binary program, what is that, or what is included in the binary program. Now, let's first discuss direct referral bonus. Now, direct referral bonus, this is where you get to earn 4,500 Naira per Ed package sold to your client. It simply means, as you become a part of our system, once you start sharing our opportunities, and they also wanted to become part of it, they will also get the Economy Driver package. And true enough, once they're encoded in the system under your organization as the direct referral, or you as the direct sponsor of that person, you will definitely get direct referral bonus, which is 4,500. And what's good about DRB, or direct referral bonus, this is unlimited. What do I mean with unlimited? Unlimited because the more people you share the opportunity, you share our products, and they also wanted to become part of us, as long as they're going to be encoded as your direct sponsorship, definitely you will get 4,500 commission. So imagine for that direct referral bonus. We're only talking about the first one. How about the second one? Still under the binary program, we have the match sales bonus. And here you get to earn 7,000 Naira once there is a match from your left sales group to your right sales group. And what do I mean with that? As you see in our illustration, you as that person above, as you become a part of this, you are entitled binary, right? 2 sales groups. So you have a left and right sales group. Now you have one on the right, one on the left sales group. Now once the system sees there is somebody on your left side, somebody on your right side, it will become a match. It will become a pair, and you will get 7,000 Naira as your match sales bonus. So there you have it for our 7,000 match sales bonus. Now moving forward, what is the potential income for our match sales bonus? We're talking about MSB or match sales bonus. For the first 500 pairs as a new distributors, you are entitled 7,000 per match. Am I correct? 7,000 with a potential of pairs or matches per day, which is 24 matches per day. Now, 7,000 times 24 matches per day, which gives you 12 cycle. And here you get a potential of 168,000 per day. That is your potential. Your week or per week is 1.1 million, and your gross per month is 5 million Naira. So that is for the first 500 pairs as a new distributor potential income. Now, what happens if you upgrade? Now, upon upgrade, you will be entitled 30 matches per day. From 24, it becomes 30, which gives you a higher income potential of 210,000 per day for the match sales bonus. And also per week is 1.4 million, and the gross per month is 6.3 million Naira for your match sales bonus. Now, the next question is, how do I upgrade? Of course, upon upgrading the system as a new distributor, all you have to do is to have 2 personal points. No time frame, any combination of the products. For you not to be, for you to better understand this part, the 2 personal points comes from the product points, because all the products that we have here have their own points as well. They have their equivalent points as well. So accumulation of points is also a means for you of upgrading into from 24 to 30 matches per day as a new distributors. Now, how about for the not the old ones, but the first who have gotten their global packages before? Definitely, all you have to do is secure yourself your new plan or product policy package or NPP, which is still available. That is 20,000 Naira, which covers all of your accounts. But make sure you have already merged your accounts, and most especially if you want to upgrade from 20 matches per day to 24 matches per day, get your NPP package. But if you want to upgrade more, all you have to do is secure your 2 personal points. So always remember that. Now, still the potential income, we're still talking about the match sales bonus. Where for the first 500 pairs, you're granted 7,000 Naira. Am I correct? For the next 501 pairs and beyond, you will be granted 6,500 per match. But the catch here, you're going to increase more your match sales potential or match sales bonus up to 36 matches per day. Again, from 24, then upgraded to 30, and now you are already on your 36 matches per day, which gives you a potential of 234,000 per day match sales bonus, and a 1.6 million a week and 7 million per month. So imagine the increase of the potential income that you get to have, and also the matches per day that you get to have as you move along, as you progress in your business. Now, we are just talking about match sales bonus under still our binary program. Now, still, another way to earn is what we call uni-level bonus. Here, you get to earn from 5% to 10% from your first level up to your 10th level. This is again based on product reorders and product movement. And here, this is again another way of you to earn. This is a separate way to earn still here under our economy driver plan. Now, what else? We also have what we call stair-step bonus, still based on product reorders and product movement. Here you got to get your title or rank. Now, upon becoming a part of our company or the ED plan, you will be called a distributor. And as soon as you accumulate points coming from the products, again, 10 positional points, you will become, or you will upgrade or level up to our next rank, which is you will become a silver executive, and you will have 10% commission on all of the distributors down your line. Imagine additional commission under still the stair-step bonus. So here, once you accumulate another 100 positional points, you will have 20% commission. When you become a global ambassador and accumulate 1,000 positional points, you will have 30% commission down the line. So you can see here, this is going to be based on group sales accumulation. This is not just only you, but this is going to be a group effort together with your team. This is no time frame, no reversion, no demotion, no pass up. What happens when you become a silver executive? What if you paused for a while and you needed to do something important and you did not resume your business yet? What happens is you will remain in your position. When you come back, there's no other way but going up. So that's what's good about our company. There is no demotion. And additional commission. Once you become a distributor, before you don't get to have stair-step bonus or earnings here in the stair-step bonus. But because our company is so great, once you become a distributor, you will have your own personal rebates in every personal product purchase. What it means is when you buy your own personal consumption, personal products, you will have your own rebates. So imagine another win-win for our distributors, for our members here in our economy driver plan. So what else? Still under the economy driver plan, another upgrade for our system, which is having new ranks. So we have here what we call silver executive primes. This is the prime ranks that we have: silver executive prime, gold executive prime, and global ambassador prime. You can see here, as you become a silver executive, you get to earn additional 3% up to the second level of all your silver executive directs. Now for gold executive prime, you get to earn additional 5% up to your second level of your global your gold executive directs. And for global ambassador, you get to earn royalty income 2% up to your fifth level of all your global ambassador direct. So that is GA, okay? GA, Global Ambassador Direct. So here you get to enjoy some more commission, some more income through our new ranks or our prime positions. And not only that, we also have another, additional, another upgrade from coming from our economy driver plan, which is what we call UniPay plan or UPP, which distributors get to enjoy commission from first level up to 20th level, which gives you from first to third level 5%, 4th to 8th level 4%, 9th to 15th level 3%, 16th to 17th level 4%, and 18th to 20th level 5% commission. So we're talking about commissions here, again, coming from, our product reorders and product movement. So additional earnings, again, for our distributors. This is, again, not based on the ranks, as I've said. As a distributor, this is what you get. So imagine you're just a distributor, you get to have a lot of perks and a lot additional commission through, again, our economy driver plan 2.0. And no wonder within 14 years, and now here in Nigeria, we're already 8 years, we have turned a lot of lives from from ordinary to self-made multi-millionaires. And with that amount of time, we have also upgraded and continuously upgrade, as well as, level up, and not only our system, but also our products as well. So that is why we remain at the top of our game, because of this innovations and, upgrades and leveling up. So again, it's not only that, let me also show you how much is your potential income when it comes to multiple accounts. Now, a while ago, I just shared with you how would one account, or how one account can have a potential income. But here, what if you want to upgrade more and want to invest more? So you have also a more way for you to double up or triple up your earnings as well. So through the multiple accounts, where you get not only to buy one account, but a lot of accounts. Starting from 3 accounts, you can start with 3 accounts, and you can see here it's 134,664, which gives you an immediate return of investment of 267,740, coming from the return of your investment, or cash return of your investment, plus the worth of consumable products coming from your Ed package. So again, that is your potential. What if you wanted to start 7 accounts? Yes, you can start with 314,216, which gives you an immediate return of investment of 647,000. And you can see here again, it's coming from the cash return of investment as well as the consumable products coming from your Ed package. What more? You can also have 15 accounts, and this is the highest accounts you can ever invest. Here, allowable accounts you can actually start with your business. And here, you get to invest 673,320, which gives you an immediate return of investment of 1.4 million naira, coming again from the cash return of investment and consumable products of your Ed package. So there you have it. You can start with 1 account, 3 accounts, 7 accounts, up to 15 accounts. It depends on you how you wanted to actually start your business. If you want to, start small, or if you want to make it big, it entirely depends on you. Now, let me show you for multiple accounts, what is the potential income. Now, let's talk about the 24 matches per day or 12-12 cycle, which I have also introduced to you earlier on our match sales bonus. Now, here, this is the potential income once you maximize and work very well our system, and as well as do really the opportunity that we had introduced to all of you. So here, 3 accounts gives you 504,000 per day. Per week is 3.5 million. Per month, 15.1 million. 7 accounts is 1.1 million per day, 8.2 million per week, 35.2 million per month. 15 accounts, 2.5 million per day, 17.6 million per week, 75.6 million per month. And that is the potential income for, again, 24 cycles or 24 matches per day as your 7,000 times 24 matches per day. Now, moving forward, how about if I upgrade to 30 matches per day, which I also have introduced earlier on? It gives you, for 3 accounts, 630,000 per day, 4.4 million per week, 18.9 million per month. 7 accounts, 1.4 million per day, 10.2 million per week, 44.1 million per month. How about 15 accounts? 3.1 million per day, 22 million per week, 94.5 million per month. Now, let's talk about some more upgrade. Now, upgrading again, not only from 30, but 36 matches per day or 18-18 cycle, which gives you for 3 accounts, 702,000 per day, 4.9 million per week, and 21 million per month. How about 7 accounts? It gives you 1.6 million per day, 11.4 million per week, 49.1 million per month. And for 15 accounts, 3.5 million per day, 24.5 million per week, and 105.3 per month or million per month. And here is for our 18-18 cycle or 36 matches per day. We're just talking about match sales bonus, just one way to earn under our economy driver plan. How much more if all of the ways to earn are working well with you and you are really working again through the system that we have just introduced to you? That is no wonder why a lot of people became successful, because again, by doing the system that I have introduced to you. You see, here in our opportunity, we have both the best, which is again opportunity to have good health and to to have a better life through your health or having good health, as well as with the opportunity that we have to maximize your income potential, because we do believe that if you have great products, you also have a great opportunity. And today, we both have it here in our company, Alliance in Motion Global, which gives you an opportunity to change from ordinary to extraordinary. If you want to have better life, better future, start and do with us, or start being partnered with us. And this is actually the right time for you to start connecting and start calling the people or start talking to the person who have introduced to you this opportunity, who have mentioned you in this presentation, so that you can start planning out your future with us here in our company. So again, I am here to congratulate and welcome you as you become part of us, and we are going to be with you in your journey here again through our system, which is our Economy Driver Plan 2.0, making sure you drive your own economy, you drive your own income, and to also change your lives for the better. So again, This is Caitlin Yan, and I hope you have understood very well my presentation. And we believe, and we are looking forward in seeing more of you guys. And for those who are actually asking for the payment method, let me share with you our payment options. Here is, we are partnered or affiliated with banks. We have Zenith Bank, Fidelity, Access, and EcoBank. You can see there the account numbers if you're willing already to become part of us. But make sure before you even, sign up or pay up, make sure to contact the person who introduced you this so that you'll be guided through what are the next steps you're going to take, and you will also be, they will also help you how you'll process also your joining us and becoming part of us. Now, before anything else, I would like also to remind each and every one of you today, later on, we will be having our R2S program. Yes, and this is not only with us, but with one of our vice presidents, of course, Mr. Georgian Gonzalez. Oh, as of the moment, sorry to have that. Actually, okay, we will be announcing this one later on. Okay, let me take this opportunity to bring back my partner of the day and my partner in life, Mr. Jermaine Habitana, to join us finally before we close in.
All right, I'm back. All right, that was so very wonderful, Mom Kit, for that wonderful presentation of our EdPlan 2.0. And before we forget, okay, I have an announcement. This is a very serious announcement, okay? So to all our viewers right here, right now, okay, to all Nigerians out there and to all EC partners around the world, please be informed that later on at 12 noon, the special product training will be canceled, and also the R2S program of Sir Georgian Gonzalez at 2 p.m. will also be canceled due to serious situation right now here that is happening in Nigeria.
Yes.
And of course, we are very sorry for the lives of those people who.
Yes, we're very sorry.
Okay, so please be understand right now that and please pray for us here in Nigeria because there's a worse what do you call this? There's
a serious situation that is
right
happening right now here in Nigeria, and we are actually we are with you in this situation, and we are actually we are one with Nigeria, and we are praying also for those who have been tumbling down with the situation or going around with the situation right now. But anyway, thank you today. Thank you for and I hope we will be seeing again in the next succeeding presentations that we will have. But as of today, again, our presentations, our trainings later on are canceled.
Yes.
And we will be posting more updates about what will be the next schedules for that.
So keep updated on our FB page, AIM Nigeria Talks. Later on we will post a banner, and for the resume of our trainings, okay, we will post that until further notice. Okay.
Yes.
So to all our brothers and sisters out there, please be safe. All right.
Yes,
please be safe
please
out
be
there.
well.
We're praying
Please
for
be
you.
at home. Yeah.
Okay, so again, at 12 noon, special product training is canceled, and also the training of Sir Georgian later on via Zoom of R2S will also be canceled. So if you ask us regarding when will be resumed, until further notice.
Yeah,
all right?
until further notice. We will be surely posting it here in our official page, AIM Nigeria Talks. So again, we appreciate everybody for being here, and we are actually very happy that you are with us, joining us for today. And I hope you're all safe, you're all well. We will be praying for all of us here and for praying for Nigeria and all of those people also that was also being victims also of the NSARS protest. Anyway, thank you very much, and God bless you all. We will pray for all of you. Be safe, and we will see you again
All right.
later.
God bless everyone. Chinikiguzi, Alayimuko, Albaraka. All right. Bye.